Jai Hind everybody. So today I will teach you the problem related to area of sector of circle, and this is exercise 12.2 and this is question number 1. Exercise 12.2 and this is question number 1. You find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay. So first we will tell you what is a sector of a circle. Suppose this is the center of circle O and this is the radius OA and this is the radius OB. Then this area, the area bounded with these two radii and this arc AB is known as sector of a circle. Area between two radii and an arc of a circle is called area of sector of a circle. Okay. Let this is the angle made here theta. Then the formula for this is area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree into pi r square. Pi r square. So what you are given? Find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter. In this question, this r is given 6 centimeter and the sector angle theta is given 60 degree. So therefore, area of sector of circle will be theta upon 360, means 60 degree upon 360 degree into pi into r squared, which is 6 square. So what it will be? 6 1 ja 6 6 ja 1 upon 6 into 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6. So when you will solve this, you will get this 6 and this 6 is cancelled. 22 6 ja 132 upon 7 centimeter square. Okay. This is question number 2. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 2 pi r. Let the radius of the circle is equal to r. Then according to question it is given circumference of circle that is 2 pi r. This is given 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. From here we can find the value of r. 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r, that is given 22. From here r can be calculated. This 7 will go here. 22 into 7, okay, and this 2 into 22 will be here. So this is 7 upon 2 centimeter. What is the radius of the circle? 7 upon 2 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of quadrant. Quadrant. What is a quadrant? Suppose this is the center of circle. This is one of the radii, and this is the another radii, making an angle of theta 90 degree. When theta is 90 degree, then the area bounded between two radii and an arc is known as what? Quadrant of a circle. So therefore, area of quadrant, that will be theta, which is 90 degree upon 360 degree into pi r square. Just place all the values. You can calculate here. 90 1 is 90, 1 upon 4 pi r square, 1 upon 4 pi r square. So this can be calculated. 1 upon 4 pi is 22 upon 7, and what is the value of r here? 7 upon 2 whole square. So this will become 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 or into 7 upon 2. So when you will calculate this 7 and this 7 will be cancelled out. Okay, 2 into 11, 11 7 ja 77 upon 8. 77 upon 8 centimeter square. So what will be the area of the quadrant of the circle? 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Now question number 3rd. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Okay, you are given this is the clock. This is 1, this is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. What is this complete angle? How much it is? 360 degree. Okay, and how many minutes are there from here to here? 60 minutes are there. 60 minutes is equal to 60 minutes is equal to how much? 360 degree. Therefore, 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. Okay. Question is this. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Suppose this is the minute hand. This is the minute hand of a clock, and in 5 minutes this will reach here. So you have to find this area swept by this clock. So now 5 minutes is equal to how many degree? 5 into 6 degree, that is 30 degree. And the radius of this clock hand is given 14 centimeter. This is given 14 centimeter. Therefore, area swept by the minute hand, area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes will be theta upon 360. So what is this angle? This angle is 30 degree. Theta is 30 degree. So what it will be? Theta is 30 degree upon 360 into pi, and your R is how much? 14 centimeter. 14 square. So when you will solve this is 1 upon 12 and when you will divide this, it will become 154 upon 3 centimeter square. 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Is it there? Now, this is question number 4. Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. This is question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtend a right angle at the center. This one. This is the center O, and let this is the chord AB. This is the chord AB. If sustained, this subtend 90 degree angle at the center of circle. This angle is how much? 90 degree. Question is this: find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. This one. Minor segment, and this is major segment. Okay. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. This OA is given 10 centimeter and this OB is also given 10 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find the areas of these two segments, OA and OB. Now, just consider this triangle OAB. O A B. This is how much? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter. Draw this perpendicular. OM. Draw this perpendicular OM. So this angle will become 45 degree and this will also 45 degree. So if this angle is 90, this is 45, it will also 45 and this will be also 45. Now in triangle this one, in triangle AOM, just use the trigonometry. This AM upon OA is equal to, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is sine O, sine of angle O, yani sine 45. So you can write AM is equal to OA into sine 45. OA is 10. So this will become 10 upon under root 2 centimeter. Okay. And similarly MB. Similarly BM. This will be also 10 upon 2 under root centimeter. Similarly BM will be how much? 10 upon under root 2 centimeter. Okay. And now AB. What will be AB? This AM plus BM. AM plus BM. So this is 10 upon under root 2 plus 10 upon under root 2. That will be 20 upon under root 2 centimeter. 20 upon under root 2 centimeter. Again, in this triangle, AMO. Now this one, OM upon AO. This is cos 45. So from here you can calculate OM is equal to AO into cos 45. What is the value of AO? That is 10. And cos 45 is 1 upon under root 2. So this will be 10 upon under root 2 centimeter. So what is the value of AB here? AB is 20 upon under root 2 centimeter and OM is 10 upon under root 2 centimeter. AB is equal to 20 upon under root 2 centimeter and OM is 10 upon under root 2 centimeter. Now we will find the area of this triangle OAB. Okay. We will find the area of triangle OAB. Now the area of the triangle AOB, that will be equal to half base, that is AB, into height OM. Area of triangle AOB is equal to half base into height, that is 1/2, and the base is AB and the height is this one, OM. OM. You have to find the value of AB here. 20 upon under root 2. 20 upon under root 2, and the height is also there. How much? 10 upon under root 2. Now calculate it. This is 22 is 10 100, and this 2, and under root 2 into under root 2 is 2. 2 to the 4, that is 50 centimeter square. 50 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. What is the area of this triangle? 50 centimeter square. Now question is this: find the area of the corresponding minor segment. Now come to the main part of this question. Area of minor segment. Minor segment. So what will the area of this minor segment? This one. If you subtract this whole area, this sector of 90 degree, this whole area, if I subtract the area of this triangle from this whole area, then we will get the area of this minor segment. So that will be area of the sector of the circle of 90 degree minus area of triangle AOB. Now area of the sector of the circle of 90 degree, that will be theta upon 360, that is 90 upon 360 into pi, and r is how much? 10 centimeter given, pi r square, and minus area of triangle is 50 centimeter square. Now solve it. 90 1 is 90, 94 is 360 into 22 upon 7, and this is 100 or minus 50. Now solve it. You will get the question is use pi is equal to 3.14. So what will happen? 1 upon 4 into 3.14 into 100 and minus 50. So now just look here. This 4 will divide the 100. So 3.14 into 25 and minus 50. Just multiply them. You will get how much? This 24 for the 100, and this is 5, 25 3 is 75, and 75, and this is 78, and this decimal is here, and minus 50. So when you will subtract it, this will become 28.5 centimeter square. What is the area of minor segment? That is 28.5 centimeter square. And this is the second part, major segment. Now area of major segment. Area of major now this is the major segment. Which one? This upper part. So this can be calculated. The total area of circle minus area of minor segment. This can be calculated as total area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle pi r square. Any pi r square minus minor segment 28.5. Pi, the question given 3.14. R is there, how much? 10. 10 square pi r square minus 28.5. This 3.14, 10 square is 100 minus 28.5. 100 into 3.14. 314 minus 28.5. Just take it out. 314 minus 28.5. Subtract it. Here is nothing, put a 0 here. 10 minus 5 is 5. This will become 3. 13 minus 8 is again 5. And this will become 0. So this is 285.5. 285.5 centimeter square. So what is the area of major segment? That will be area of circle minus area of minor segment. So this will be 285.5 centimeter square.